Hey everyone, this is Chris from ChrisNik. Today we're going to show you how the pipe mic works and hopefully answer any questions you might have about it. When you are opening your pipe mic, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put it on a standard SVR rod, a 25 footer. You slide it from the top down to where it is resting on the two screws on the SVR rod. You get that recess in there, and that's going to give you your height to where your end of the wheel and the bottom foot plate of your SVR rod are going to be nice and level. You tighten the clamp down, get it fairly snug. You don't want this thing moving on you. And in the end, you want to ensure that both these screws are sitting flush with the recess in the pipe mic. When we say nice and level, we want to ensure that that screw head here and here are sitting nice and level across this recess in the pipe mic. And that will ensure that your bottom of your pipe mic is nice and level with the foot plate of your SVR rod. For this part of the demonstration, we're going to take the SVR rod off just to make it easier to handle and show you guys what's going on. When you get your pipe mic, it comes standard with the 2-foot arm. The 3-foot arm is optional if need be. For harder to reach pipes, that's part number 1736 ARM. So with each arm you get two positions. Position number 1 is straight out. That's going to be if you have a flat bottom pipe where you have no obstructions, you can go flat down to the bottom and get your reading. Should you have any obstructions or you have a sloping pipe, you're going to be able to move your pipe mic into the 1-foot offset. And there are two holes, one for the 1-foot offset with a 2-foot arm and one for the 1-foot offset with the 3-foot arm. Make sure that you put it in the correct hole with the size arm that you have on. That way it doesn't affect your readings because it will vary. So in the 1-foot arm, or 1-foot offset with the 2-foot arm, you're going to try to hold the rod level, and it will give you your depth with 1 foot added to your reading. This gives you clearance underneath the rod, so you have some sort of obstruction, or you have the pipe sloping down and away from you, and that will give you that reading. It also has the same capability in the 3-foot arm, with the 3-foot arm, and that'd be this front hole here, and that will give you your 1-foot offset. To help give you guys an idea what's going on with the pipe mic, we've added some footage from the new ChrisNik pipe cam. This is a wireless camera that has a Wi-Fi transmitter that transmits up to your cell phone. It can be recorded through the app. And here we're showing how the pipe mic, when you take it down to the bottom of the pipe, you take a measurement once you feel you're at the bottom, dead bottom of the pipe, with a string pulled across the rim of the manhole, and that'll give you your invert. And then if you pull up to the top of the pipe, take your string, take that measurement, and then add 33 hundredths, and that'll give you your pipe diameter. Here we're showing the same process on a incoming pipe. Touch the bottom, take your measurement, lift up to the center of the pipe as best you can, take your measurement, and add 33 hundredths. Here we are showing just the process of taking your measurements, taking a string from a gammon reel, lining up on each side of the manhole, and then putting it against the SVR rod.